Good afternoon, viewers. Happy new month. Today is a complete day, 3rd March 2025. So we're going to simplify this equation. We're going to simplify this. It's not a simple equation. It's a problem. We're going to simplify this problem. Okay? We're going to simplify this problem. And the problem is an algebraic expression. We have 1 over 4x minus 2y minus 1 over y minus 2x. Okay? This is an algebraic fraction and this is an algebraic fraction. This one is subtracting the other. And we want to have it in a simplified form. So for you to achieve this, and all these options are given for this answer. A is 1 over 2x plus y, B is 5 over 2 into 2x minus y, C is equals to 3 over 2x minus y, and D is equals to 3 over 4x minus 2y. So we want to simplify this. For us to simplify this, if you look at the two denominators, you find out that they are similar, though they are not the same. For you to get to their similarity, you factorize this and see what we have when we factorize this. When we factorize 4x minus 2y, we are going to have this. Factorize 4x minus 2y. In factorization, look at the common factor in each of the terms. The first term here is 4x and the second term here is minus 2y. Look at it, you find out that 2 is here in this 4x and 2 is also a common factor in this 2 minus 2y. So we pick out 2, put bracket, 2 divide 4x, we have what? 2x. And 2 divide minus 2y, we have what? Minus y. This denominator, 4x minus 2y, is factorized to this. And this is factorization. Why? This is the expanded form of this. 2 times 2x, 4x. 2 times minus y minus 2y. Okay, so when we have this, find out that you now look into this y minus 2x. This is plus y and minus 2x, whereas this is 2x minus y. The difference is in their signs. They have different signs. So for us to make them similar, we have to affect the sign of this, which is minus 1 over y minus 2x, by multiplying this fraction, algebraic fraction, by a negative sign. If we multiply minus 1 over y minus 2x, the minus 1 will change to what? Plus 1. In that case, we are going to have 1 over 4x minus 2y. The minus sign will change to plus, because minus times minus is what? Plus. So we're going to have 1. And this is what we have. We are going to multiply it by negative. Instead of us having y minus 2x, we are going to multiply it by a negative sign, which will change their signs. And we're going to have minus y plus 2x. So that means here we're going to have what? 2x minus y. Mind you, we've already factorized this to have this. So instead of writing this now, we have what? 1 over 2 into 2x minus y. Okay, which is this. And we now have plus 1 over 2x minus y. Look at it critically. So right now that these two are the same, 2x minus y, 2x minus y. So the next thing we do is to do what? To find their LCM. The LCM of this, let's use it here. So the LCM is 2 into x minus y, and 2x minus y is what? 2 into 2x minus y. So we have 2 into 2x minus y, divide 2 into 2x minus y, it will give us 1. 1 times 1 is 1. Plus 2 into 2x minus y, divide this, it will give us 2. 2 times 1, 2. So we now have what? 1 plus 2 is 3 over 2 into 2x minus y. And mind you, this 2 into 2x minus y is still the same thing as what? 3 over 4x minus 2y. And that's the final answer. So the simplified form of this 1 minus 1 over 4x minus 2y minus 1 over y minus 2x is what? 3 into 4x minus 2y. And this is the answer. 3 into 4x minus 2y. D is the answer. So look at it quickly. Look at what we've done. Look at what we've done. Try them and look for more exercises similar to this. Lay your hands on them. That is how to learn mathematics. So I'll have more of this. I would like you to comment. I would also like you to do what? To solve and share and also subscribe in this platform so that we see reasons to share more of this in our next class. Thank you very much and thanks for watching. Okay, good afternoon. This is also similar to the first one we did. It's another challenge. We are meant to simplify this algebraic expression 2a minus a squared. This is a squared minus b squared plus 1 over b minus a. We are meant to simplify this algebraic expression, and these are the options. After simplification, one of them is the correct answer. After simplification, option A is 1 over a plus b, B is 1 over a plus b into a minus b, C is 1 over a minus b, D is what? 1 over a minus b into a minus b. So one of them is the correct option. So let's simplify. Let's go there. So if you look at the first one, this is 2a over a squared minus b squared. This is what? Difference of 2 squared. Difference of a squared minus b squared. We call it difference of 2 squared. Anytime you have difference of 2 squared, you're going to have something like this. 2a over a plus b into a minus b. When you expand this, you have something like this. This is called difference of 2 squared. Okay? If you look at this, this is 1 over b minus a. B minus a is similar to one of these. It's similar to a minus b, but they are not the same. Why? Because their signs are different. This is plus b, whereas this is minus b. This is minus a, whereas this is plus a. So for us to make it similar, we do what? We multiply this plus 1 over b minus a, this fraction, by a negative sign so that we can achieve that. So when we do that, we multiply numerator by negative. We have minus 1 over, multiply denominator by negative. We also have what? That is a minus into b minus a, to give us minus b plus a, which will give us what? A minus b. So we've achieved this. So at this point, we can now do what? We can simplify by getting the LCM of this. LCM of this and this is what? Look at this one are not the same. So we get the LCM of denominators, which will give you what? A plus b bracket a minus b. Divide this by this, you have 1. 1 times 2a will give you 2a minus a minus b divide a minus b. That is, divide denominator here. A minus b, we cancel a minus b. You have a plus b. So you have a plus b. Mind you, put it inside the bracket because this is 2 expressions inside the bracket, and these 2 expressions or these 2 terms is going to be multiplied by a negative sign. If you don't put them in bracket, you are going to end up filling it because you are not going to have minus a plus b instead of having minus a minus b. So when we have this now, we expand the numerator. For us to expand the numerator, we have what? 2a minus times a will give you minus a, minus times plus b will give you minus b, over a plus b bracket a minus b. So this will give you 2a minus a will give you a minus b over a plus b bracket A minus B. And A minus B, we cancel A minus B, and we're left with 1 over A plus B. So our answer is what? 1 over A plus B. That shows that this is our answer, 1 over A plus B. The simplified form of this algebraic expression, addition, is what? 1 over A plus B, and that's the correct answer. Thank you very much. Stay tuned, subscribe, share, comment for more updates. Thank you.